Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is Sir Mohsin. I welcome you with another lecture. So in this lecture I am going to teach you from section vocabulary and usage, lesson number 7. So let's get started. So dear students, what you have to do, you have to make nouns, then use them in your sentences. So here exercise 1, form a noun with each word and make sentences with both words. So you have to make sentences with both words. Believed, then noun is believe. So she believed, here it is as a verb. She believed that God would help her in times of trouble. Okay, next sentence, belief. Her belief in God was firm and strong. So number 1, it was a verb, and second was noun. So whatever the word is given to you, either it is adjective or verb, you have to make a noun, then use them in your sentences, both words. So number 1, A. So for your better understanding, eager. So noun is eagerness. Sentence, he had a fall because of his eagerness. Okay. Next, civilize. Civilization or civility. Mohenjo-daro is an ancient civilization. Okay. Next is C, magical. So magic or magician, these are nouns. I saw a magician in my school program. So I have made sentences. So you have to make sentences of eager, civilize and magical. Okay. I will also help you by giving you some words, some sentences, okay, in the group. So let's do exercise B. Suitable adjective, quality. So adjective क्या हो सकता है इसके साथ, जैसे हमने यहाँ पर दिया गया है suitable adjectives. Provide 3 suitable adjectives to describe each word. Do not use the same adjective twice. You have to use 3 adjective with one word. For example, animal. So fierce animal, small animal, dead animal. Okay, do not use one word twice. एक वर्ड दोबारा इस्तेमाल नहीं करना, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, क्वालिटी. तो क्वालिटी के लिए हमने क्या बना लिया है आपके सामने, चीप क्वालिटी, एक्सीलेंट क्वालिटी, गुड क्वालिटी और ETC जो आप बनाना चाहें. बैटल, नेवर एंडिंग बैटल, ब्लडी बैटल, ईजी बैटल. ओके. पावर, लिमिटेड पावर, लिटिल पावर, ग्रेट पावर. एग, fresh egg, old egg, rotten egg. You may use different adjectives as well. Okay. Similarly, you have to do these words. Next is part C, different uses of words. Explain the difference in the use of the words in bold print in each set of sentences. You have to describe each word. For example, in sentence 1, what it describes, second what it describes, you have to explain. There are people who are poor and hungry all over the world. Sentence B, many primitive peoples practiced cannibalism in the past. So you have to tell us what is the difference between them. So number 1, in sentence A, poor, it describes person in general. People, it describes for tribes. Okay. Similarly, if you see B, I would rather pay for quality than for quantity. His good qualities won him many friends. So what is the difference? Quality in sentence A, it describes degree of excellence. In sentence B, it describes personal attributes. Okay, quality and qualities. Similarly, he was so deep in thought, he was unaware of our presence. He would not reveal his thoughts to us although we pressed him. So what is the difference is thought in sentence 1. Here it describes the state of being lost in thinking. Okay, state of being. thought, and thoughts, here it is the word thoughts. So here it describes ideas. When you talk about thoughts, so it means ideas. Okay, so next let's do, you have to do other words as well. I will also help you by giving you these words. Next, part D, suitable word. Fill in the blank in each sentence with the most suitable word. You have to put the most suitable word. What is the most suitable word in this, for this sentence? Mr. Goodman, a local businessman, a local business tycoon, is reputed to be a dash donor, generous donor. Okay, helpful, generous, plentiful, bountiful. So here it is better to use generous. Her dash countenance belied the grief she felt when she heard the tragic news. So her cern, okay, her cern countenance. Next, we are dashed to be prosecuted if we trespass on this property. So we are liable to be prosecuted. Okay, liable. So suitable word is liable. Next, I trust in his judgment because he is a dash person. He is a careful person. We dash his offer of help. We reject his offer of help because he is not a careful person. So here it is reject. People have a dash to follow the crowd. People have a tendency to follow a crowd. A fight broke out among players and the game came to an dash end. Abrupt end. Abrupt end. He has dash in his son's ability. He has faith in his son's ability. Next page. He expressed dash at not being able to attend her wedding reception. So here should be regret. He expressed regret. I don't eat seafood because I am dash to it. I am allergic to it. The screen is blurred. Now you can see. Okay, the lecture ends here, by the way. Inshallah, I will meet you with another lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care.